In today's video, I will teach you how to connect Claude to Fusion 360. Then I'll show you a live demo of Claude designing a 20cm by 20cm by 20cm cube. I've also linked down in the description where Claude builds a custom keycap for a specific keyboard switch. So first you'll be needing two requirements. One is the Claude desktop, then Fusion 360. Inside the Claude desktop, you'll need to go to Customize. Inside the Customize tab, you need to go to Connector. Inside the connector, you need to click the plus tab, then Browse Connector. Then inside the Browse thing, we need to go and find Fusion. Then once we click the plus icon, it should say Install. Once you have installed it, it should show up. It should show up in the desktop area where I'm showing currently. That is all for the Claude desktop right now. Then inside the Fusion 360, you need to go to your icon. Then inside that, you need to go to Preferences. Then inside the Preferences, we need to go to General. Then inside the general, you need to go to API. Once you go to API, you need to make sure this is turned on. Fusion MCP server, run locally on this device. So that means that it's going to be running locally if you tick this. So that means the Claude and also the Fusion 360 talks to each other. So then once you do that, you have to click apply. Since I've already done that, I'll press OK. So then next, I'm going to show you the demo. Inside the demo, I'm going to be making a cube. So I'm going to give the prompt After I've given the prompt inside the Claude, then it's going to go and find the tool of the MCP server. Since it has found it, it's going to create the script. So I have to press always allow. So what that means is it's going to allow Fusion and Claude to talk to each other. Then it's going to create the cube. So since it's done that, it's showing up in the Fusion. So it tells you what it's done, like create the sketch, then drew the 20 by 20 centimeter cube on the profile, then extruded by 20 centimeters, which is what we gave. So then if we tell it to do one more thing, like modify this, once we say to modify the cube by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, it's going to take a screenshot of the Fusion 360, then it's going to modify it. Since it did that, it's going to tell the requirements that it did, like remove the 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter sketch and turn it into 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, then extrude it. So that is it for today's video. You have learned how to set up the Claude desktop to talk to Fusion 360. Then we have demoed it by making a cube of 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Then we have modified it also so that Claude knows how to talk to Fusion 360 and you can make any design. In the future videos, you'll see Claude being used to make cool designs for my projects.